Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a house tour, and first up we're going to start with the laundry room. So it's pretty standard. I mean, there's a light and there is a washer and dryer, so it's pretty standard. But we do have a ton of cabinet space in this one, so that's really cool. And then right outside is our hallway closet. This is where we keep all of our shoes, and then directly across is going to be the kitchen. Our pantry is kind of stocked like a college dorm room, but we have since gotten more groceries, so that's okay. We've also switched out this refrigerator. This silver one wasn't working, so we ended up getting a white one, which, like, yikes.
Oh, not a white refrigerator. Girl, please put your shoes on. Let's go find you a home, honey. Ooh. Lord.
So this is a pretty standard kitchen. It has a ton of space, a ton of storage, like more storage than I think I know what to do with. Military families, they just know you have a lot of stuff, I guess. I don't know. I definitely don't have enough to fill all these cabinets, so maybe I'll fill them with shoes. And the only Japanese thing in our entire kitchen is this fan with a light attached. It's the only thing that's actually in Japanese, so yeah. And that's pretty much our kitchen, and it's an open floor plan. We have our Christmas tree set up in this video, but I promise I have taken it down by now. And we get a ton of great natural light through these blinds. Like, it's amazing. I can't wait to hang up curtains though, because I just feel like blinds look a little sterile. And then what's cool about this apartment is that the living space is separated from the sleeping space. So we have another hall closet here, and this one is giant. Like, I literally don't know what I could ever fill this up with. Right now it's just housing our clothes that we don't have hangers for right now. And then we also have a second closet here that I, once again, don't know what to put in there at all. Like, zero ideas. This is our first guest room. This one's really big, and I'm going to be using this one as my filming room / guest room. So if you are coming to visit, this is where you'll be staying. It has a ton of closet space. Once again, they love storage here. They love closet space. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm very excited to fill them with like various types of faux fur coats or something, because I mean, it's just made for that. All of the rooms have their own thermostat, so you can decide how cold or warm you want it to be, which is kind of cool. I wish that this was something we had back in the States. And all of our light switches are pretty, standard, on and off. This is the other guest room. This is actually turned into Andy's game room / office, so it has since been decorated and decked out and everything. And he has a ton of closet space, but it's used for our luggage. And this is the guest bathroom. It's extremely sterile looking. We definitely have to get like a shower curtain in here because this lighting and the white, it's just terrifying, to be honest. I kind of hate it, but I use it for my bubble baths, obviously. And last but not least is our bedroom. It's very spacious, and I tried to make it as cozy as possible. We get good lighting. We get to see mountains from our bedroom, which is really, really cool. Like, hello, mountains. We have a lot of closet space. Obviously, the one on the left is mine because it's giant. And in our bathroom, it's pretty standard, pretty boring, to be honest. It's just a regular shower. But overall, this is our home. This is where we'll be for the next 3 years, and we can't wait to make as many memories as possible and, bring you guys along with us. I mean, we're going to be here for a while, and there's a whole lot to see. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.